Time went by so fast and I can't believe we're on the last week of vlogmas. Heading to a Christmas party and I am taking some homemade chocolate chip cookies, so I'm gonna get started on that. I also need to wrap another gift for White Elephant, and I already did my hair, my makeup. I just need to change, so I'm gonna take you guys along while I do all of that. I'm gonna include all the ingredients to the cookies on the screen so you guys can also make them at home. It's so good. While we wait for the cookies, I'm gonna wrap this other gift for White Elephant. I wrapped one earlier, honestly, not the best, but I'm gonna wrap this one now. Just checked on the cookies. They started spreading so big. I don't know why I don't ever get the right size for when I'm doing cookies. If you guys have any suggestions on how I can make them smaller next time, please let me know. This is only like the second time that I've done the cookies, so I just have no knowledge. I'm not good at wrapping gifts either, so please don't expect anything crazy right here. Wait, let me record them. I don't know, they do not look as appetizing as the first time. No! This is what it's looking like. Not the best, but who cares? They're gonna undo it anyways. Gift wrapping will definitely be on my New Year's resolution because I can't wrap for anything. Ignore the fact that my room looks kind of messy right now, but this is my outfit. I was wearing a black skirt underneath, but I felt like it was just too short. And I felt like it was just too short. I felt like it was too short and kept riding up, so I decided to put like this gray plaid skirt. Honestly, it doesn't really go with like the khaki, but whatever. I don't have time to like try and look for another skirt and stuff like that, and I feel like this looks fine either way. But yeah, we need to start heading out now because it's getting really late. I'm embarrassed to show the cookies because they low-key look like, but at least they taste good. But yeah, we have this already. I have the gifts right here that we also need to take. For Christmas, Lorenz and I didn't buy each other gifts because we said we were gonna go to Target and try and do this little challenge, timing ourselves, and we have like a spending limit. We didn't get a chance to do it before Christmas, so we're just gonna go right now. We're also gonna do like our own perspective while we're shopping for each other. Here guys, and it is currently raining. Okay, I'm here. I'm actually in the makeup section, not where I'm supposed to be.
I'm trying to get our favorite hot chocolate, but they don't have it now because it's all empty here.
I haven't found like one good main gift, if that makes sense. It's just all been like essentials.
I don't know what I'm gonna get Marcella because we've got a $40 limit and that's like 3 items in Target, so wish me luck.
Lorenz and I keep bumping into each other, but he just passed by again. But I can't find the exact toothpaste that he wanted, so I think we're just gonna have to get this one. It's the same thing almost. You're gonna see what I have. Go away. Go away.
These 3 things of what I've got so far, because her favourite chips, her favourite candy, her favourite ice cream, matcha green tea, so I'm doing okay. Maybe some candles here actually, but I'm not sure.
The candy is 30% off, and I know that these are his favorites, so I might get these. I don't know which other ones. I got him this leave-in conditioner that he said he needed because he's running out. And then I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this or not, but I know he wants to try this brand out, so I thought maybe I can get him the sample size to try out. Okay, I'm walking right now to the house. Really quickly, I'm gonna go hide everything before. I also have to pee really bad. I ended up getting him a water bottle. I wasn't gonna get it for him because he told me he didn't really mind getting it, but I felt bad because I did lose the water bottle that he had bought a while back, so I just thought it was only fair. We're also just not gonna do a basket anymore. We're just gonna do like 1, 2, 3 and show. I feel like that would be more fun, and we're just excited to like give each other the gift, so it doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3, show. Ooh, a face mask.
Nice.
I found some.
I needed these.
Okay, I got a face mask. Ready? 1, 2, 3, show. Oh, that's nice. That says it's a lip plumping lip
I didn't
oil.
know. I didn't know if you had that already.
No,
so.
I don't have this color now. What?
Toothpaste I wanted, and that I can't get in the UK.
Show. Oh! Show. Oh, matcha ice cream. That's something we can
Matcha,
both
Haagen-Dazs
enjoy.
ice cream.
1, go. Your favorite Reese's. My favorite body scrub.
And Reese's.
Oh, this is body lotion, not a body
No! We'll return that. We'll return that.
This is a body lotion.
I swear to God, I asked the guy, and I was like, "Where's the Tree Hut body scrub?"
Show. Oh, how cute!
I got you this because I've got the L.
Oh, that's
So you've literally
cute.
got this.
I saw that and I thought it was cute.
It's Mrs. Claus.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh,
They
oh,
had them.
popped. Yeah, they had them.
Oh, that's good.
3, 2.
This one, by the way, is special to me.
Really?
It's special to me.
What?
And I'm excited to get you this.
2, 1.
Oh, yay! Right, so,
Wait, show the camera. Conditioner he was running out of.
So.
Max, come here.
this is my mum's favourite candy, my brother Chris's favourite candy, most people's in the UK favourite candy. I've seen these in like the candy sweets area, and I was like, Percy Pigs, you have to try it.
This is the last one I have.
Okay.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. I ended up getting you a water bottle. A built-in straw right here. Thank
Well, I got
you.
you. Well, I got you this.
Uh-huh. That's
Another calming sheet mask. I got you.
Ooh, my favorite! Nerds gummy clusters. Oh, and this was a face mask. I don't think I showed it. Ooh, pink champagne.
Anyway.
Oh. Yes! With some lemon and salt.
Spicy.
Yes!
Lime.
I wanted to show you guys a little what I got for Christmas, and this is very realistic. My family is currently not in California, so Lorenz and I went to my uncle's girlfriend's house for Christmas, so we aren't alone. And they actually got us a few things, and I thought it was so sweet because they made us feel so included. We played this game. We brought a gift that was under $10, and then we open it up in front of everyone, and then we can steal it. I stole this gift, these drinks. So Lorenz stole a gift from someone else, and it was a McDonald's gift card that was $25.
It's absolute steal.
So this is what we want. My uncle's girlfriend's mom also gave me a little gift, and it's something I really needed. I was just running out of the one that I had in my bathroom. Start calling her like my sister-in-law basically, because that's what she is. She also made me this little basket, this little Sol de Janeiro face mask, clips, and hair ties. I'm excited to try these because I think these are the ones that don't crease. Lip plumping lip gloss, champagne body scrub, hand sanitizer, cute mug for like coffee and stuff, these little socks, little candy cane, Neutrogena makeup removing wipe, lip liner, this bow hair clip. Boyfriend's mom got me this little Clinique skincare set. My sister-in-law also got me a Starbucks gift card, which I already used. I can't believe December is already over, but it's time to start focusing on the new year.